Hi, it's Todd and Brittany, and we're at a very special house today because the owners several years ago found a perfect block of land, but they had the perfect house. So they did what anyone would do. They picked the house up and they moved it to 17 MacGregor Street. Let's show you around. You know, I really do love how this home retains all of its original character features, like these verandas and the French doors that nearly give you access to the outdoors from every single room in the house. You know, for an 800 odd square metre block, this corner allotment packs a lot of punch. Not only has it got a great shed, but it's also on 2 titles. Gives you lots of diversity in the future. "17 MacGregor Street is generous in its proportions, and it has beautiful features like this timber work and high ceilings. If we can help you own this wonderful home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.